Good afternoon, guys. Welcome. Let's have a look at the market. As always, guys, not a financial advisor, not financial advice, okay? Um, so what do we got? Algo is having a nice, juicy little pump despite the fake FUD that's going around about it right now. I saw Altcoin Daily had brought up a story from like a year ago and is starting to spread it on Twitter X as new information because the Clinton Foundation decided to build on the Algorand permissionless blockchain, and apparently some people don't understand what permissionless blockchain is, and they're blaming Algorand because they don't like the Clintons building on the permissionless blockchain. Do some research, Altcoin Daily, on what a permissionless blockchain actually is, and then you'd get. And also, don't bring up stories from like a year ago and present it as new information for clickbait. So, Miria pumping, still up 5.5%. 239% on the month. Sands having a juicy little pump too, almost 6.5%. Bitcoin's holding 37.7. I have a feeling we're going to test 38 again before the end of the weekend. Hopefully get a good weekly close. And Caspa with a good DCA, good DCA opportunity. Sorry guys, fighting bronchitis right now, so it's terrible. So yeah, look at the month, guys. Looking very, very juicy. What else do we got going on here? Jasmy up 48% on the month. SEI 104%. Taraxa 241, guys. Some good calls we've made for the members only content, guys. We've had a very large increase in the amount of people joining as members. So all the new members, guys, welcome to the member side. Check out the two new videos that we had released a couple of days ago on two microcap gems. Definitely going to be big in my opinion, and there will be more microcap gems coming, so you get in early on plays that we call, guys. We called Taraxa, we called SEI Network, we called Caspa, Miria, and so on, right? So definitely worth the money that you make on that is worth the $4.99 it is to be a member. We called VRA, guys. Big juicy pump still coming for VRA in my opinion. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Let's look at the news. Explosive rally in BTC. Leading cryptocurrency analyst Michael Vandepop has revealed that he expects a significant increase in Bitcoin during the current bull market cycle. The senior analyst highlights a potential surge of up to 961% in the leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Popular analyst Michael Vandepop in his comments on YouTube suggested that Bitcoin could experience an explosive rally of up to 961% and reach $400,000 based on the previous market's cycles and diminishing returns laws. The expert stated, quote, "I still believe that this bull cycle will be bigger than the previous one because our returns are diminishing. So Bitcoin did 14x or 17x or something in between because it came from 3,000 and went to 69,000. It did even more. And I think diminishing returns, if we do 80x in this cycle from 2015 to 2017 and 20x in the second cycle here, it doesn't mean that we have to do a 5x afterwards because this 2019 to 2021 cycle was pushed down by Sam Bankman-Fried from FTX, and there are articles proving this. Furthermore, the senior analyst stated that if the expected rise of the flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin begins, it could surpass 20 times the lowest levels of the 2023 market cycle. The analyst stated, quote, "Diminishing return can also mean that you will make an 18x increase from 16,318 at the beginning of 2023. If you do 20x, that means if we go and calculate the numbers, if we say the bear market is completed, we will do 21x, and we will do 20 times from the lowest levels of the 2023 market cycle. It makes a lot of sense to say that Bitcoin can reach $300,000 to $400,000 in this cycle, because I believe there are many new participants joining the markets and pushing the prices. We have a cycle similar to 2016, 2017, and this period altcoins will still perform well. Guys, if Bitcoin hits $300,000 to $400,000 in this market cycle, altcoin gains are going to be off the freaking charts. Like I'm talking like, you know, all the most unrealistic expectations on all your altcoins that, you know, people say is crazy and stuff. If Bitcoin rallies from $37,000 to $400,000 in the next year and a half, 2 years, the profits, the gains, the pump in the altcoins is going to be, I mean, altcoins will outperform Bitcoin in terms of price action, just because, right? Because that's the way that it is. They're smaller market caps. So if Bitcoin does that, I can't even fathom the profits that would be in the altcoins, guys. And if you've ever been through an altcoin season or a bull market, guys, I'm talking peak months of a bull market, right? You could literally throw a dart at the wall and hit an altcoin, right? And make money on it. Everything pumps for the most part, with the exception of, you know, scams and, you know, stuff like that. But for the most part, everything goes nuts. So I cannot imagine the gains. It would be insanity. Insanity. You would all be millionaires, multimillionaires for sure. If you have 10 to 20K, if you have 10 to 20K invested in this bear market, you would be a multimillionaire in altcoin gains. If Bitcoin goes to 400K, I can't even fathom the gains that it would be, guys. So I hope that comes to fruition. I really, really do. It would be insane. Is altcoin season coming? Market Guru predicts a bomb forecast for Bitcoin price. It may be time for the crypto investors to enter the altcoin season, which is defined as a specific moment when more altcoins outperform Bitcoin in the bull market, according to experienced crypto analyst Mustache. We'll say Mustache. If altcoins repeat a formation breakout from 3 years ago, a strong altcoin season could occur. As in previous cycles, Bitcoin leads each cycle by initiating an upward movement and increasing its dominance over the market. Altcoins start to follow BTC's leadership after consolidating during this process. Increasingly, altcoins tend to outperform the largest cryptocurrency during this period. After a highly profitable period for Bitcoin investors, analysts speculate whether an altcoin season is about to start before the end of the year, especially BTC's dominance reaching 52% since November of 2022, and its value increasing by over 130% triggers comments that it is now altcoin's turn. Crypto analyst Mustache identified an important breakout for altcoins from the Gaussian channel by imitating a formation from 3 years ago. The same formation was also broken in 2016, initiating the first major altcoin season in history. The crypto cap total 2 index provided by TradingView measures the total market value of altcoins excluding Bitcoin. In Mustache's analysis, this index indicates a market value of and $64, sorry, 664.66 billion for altcoins. Remarkably, the market value of altcoins consolidated within the Gaussian channel on the weekly chart and experienced a major altcoin season in the last two breakouts. If the same story repeats, Bitcoin's dominance is expected to fall below the 50% level, and it has maintained since June of this year. Bitcoin's dominance reached its highest level of the year at 54.34% on October 25th. At this point, it is important to note that the past price movements do not guarantee future repetitions. Even after a breakout from the Gaussian channel, an altcoin season may not occur. Demand plays a crucial role in increasing the market value of altcoins. So you tell me, guys, is altcoin season on the brink of happening, or is a pullback in the cards? Let me know what you guys think. Also, do you guys think Bitcoin can hit $400,000 this bull run? In Mike Vandepop's prediction? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Also, guys, check out the channel sponsor, L Bank. Link is in the description. Do your spot trading, leverage trading, and copy trading there. No KYC required. Love it myself. I do my copy trading over there. So check that out. Also, click the join button to become a member, get members only content, get in early on projects such as Miria, Caspa. What else did we call? Like I said, we called Space, we called Taraxa, we called SEI Network. So yeah, that and many, many more, guys. So click the join button to become a member and get in early on those projects before they pump 236%, 241%, and so on. Caspa, 176%. So yeah, smash the like, guys. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.